Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've typed up an example for you of part number 2 of what I'm looking for with this essay. As you can see, it's only about 3 paragraphs long, so it's not too long. I'm sorry, 4 paragraphs long. So it's not too bad, you know, it's about a page and a half long. The most important thing here is that in part number 2, you are analyzing the song. Okay, you are trying to explain what the song means, what it is trying to say. In my case, I chose the song Shining Star by Earth, Wind, and Fire, and the song is not about stars. It's about being the best that we can be as people, that we all have this greatness inside of us. And so you'll notice in my opening paragraph, I talk about the song. I say what my song is, who wrote the song, when it came out, what album it was on, who actually wrote the song. And you'll notice that there's a quote there from play.google.com. That's because I had to search up the song over here on my example part 1. And so down here it says who the song is written by. And I got this from Google Play, so I have to cite my source because these are not my words here. I did not know that Lorenzo Dunn, Philip Bailey, and Maurice White were the people who wrote the song. I also said what genre the song is, so it's funk. It came out in the 1970s when genres like funk and disco were popular. I also explained to the reader that Earth, Wind, and Fire released 34 albums between 1971 and now. And then I move into the song itself. And you'll notice at times I have lyrics here. Notice how the lyrics have quotation marks? Okay, that's because these are not my words. I have directly quoted them from somebody else, in this case the band. I have more lyrics down here. So what I'm doing is I'm going through and I'm explaining the song and using the lyrics to support what I'm saying. You know, like I say, the song isn't actually about shooting stars. And then I say, rather, the song is a metaphor about everyone in the world being special. And then I use a quote to back that up. Your shining star, no matter who you are, is a line in the song that is repeated over and over. The singer is trying to tell listeners that they're special, that everyone is special and can be great. This is what your essay will look like. You must use quotes from the song in your essay. And I continue to go on. So I talk a little bit about the song itself. I talk about the chorus. And this is all here. It'll be loaded up on Classroom for you to read. Notice how it is all double spaced. It's Times New Roman, 12-point font. And if I click on my spacing, it's all double spaced. This is what you will do with your essay. Your essay does not have to be 4 paragraphs long, but you must analyze your song and explain it. This is what a properly written essay looks like, and this is what I will expect from you by your final draft. So use my example, use the notes that I have given you to write part 2. Your part 2 needs to look like this.